Good morning, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, March 30th.
We hope everyone is doing well and have navigated this last week productively and positively. I'm Kim.
And I'm Kevin.
And we make up Reynolds Technology Training Services, otherwise known as TTS or K Squared.
So we're here to launch a new video series called Tech Training Roundup. During this time of uncertainty, many of us are working remotely and teaching classes online. We plan to post videos regularly with helpful resources, answers to frequent technology questions, and where you can access video tutorials and guides. We'll also include a tech training tip of the week that will wrap up the video.
While our current emphasis is on teaching faculty needs, we hope to provide information for all Reynolds employees, especially with the increased need for conferencing technologies, including Zoom. All website and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Let's jump in.
First and foremost, where can you get help? For questions on common software used at the college, including Canvas and Zoom, please visit our Tech Training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu, rather than email Kim or I directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
Additionally, we've built out a quick access guide for our face-to-face instructors that are moving their classes online. This page outlines essential guides for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. Resources provided include 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors and their contact information. This quick access guide was emailed to all employees at the college and can also be found on the Tech Training website. Additionally, a student technology support page is located on the reynolds.edu webpage.
Here are some of the top questions we received last week. Number one, how to schedule a Zoom meeting. As many employees began using Zoom for the first time, they may experience issues navigating the interface, scheduling a Zoom meeting, and getting audio and microphones working properly. For Zoom meetings, we created a new video tutorial on how to schedule a Zoom meeting. This can be found on both the Tech Training Quick Access and Tech Training tutorial web pages. Additional videos covering the Zoom interface and troubleshooting issues can also be found on these pages. We encourage new Zoom users to set up a meeting and practice with a participant prior to their first official meeting.
Number two, uploading files into Canvas and making them available to your students. For Canvas inquiries on uploading files into a module, we recommend a new video, Add Content to a Module. This was created and uploaded to the Quick Access Guide and Tech Training's tutorial page. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
If you're experiencing audio issues in Zoom, there's an option to run a test on both your speakers and microphone. To access, navigate to the up caret next to the mute and unmute button. Then select Test Speaker and Microphone. This test will walk you through a series of prompts to help troubleshoot both your audio and microphone settings. Speak and pause. Do you hear a replay? Speak and pause. Do you hear a replay? Upon entry into a Zoom meeting, you will also be presented with a test speaker and microphone link. If you're planning to host a Zoom meeting, we recommend joining early and running this test to ensure your audio equipment is ready to go.
These steps and additional information are provided in the video tutorial, Joining and Configuring Audio and Video, on our Zoom tutorial page.
And that's your Tech Training Tip of the Week. If you have any tips, suggestions for us, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
This is Kevin.
And Kim, signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.